morning students, how are you? Now we will start with new chapter number 8 of trigonometry. Trigonometry is a branch of geometry. See student, trigonometry based on right angle triangle ABC. Let us assume this one is right angle triangle and we can count this one as theta. Okay, so 6 ratios come. You will work on this P, B, P, H, H, B. P, B, P, H, H, B. Or you can revise in your mind like this: Pandit Badri Prasad हर बोले. For this P by H, B by H, P by B, you can learn in your mind Pandit Badri Prasad हर बोले. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर बोले, सोना चांदी तोले. सोना चांदी तोले. पंडित बद्री प्रसाद हर बोले, सोना चांदी तोले. In sona you will take S, in chandi C, in tole T, S C T. S2 sin theta. First trigonometric ratio is sin theta. Chandi to C, cos theta. Third one tole, tangent theta, tan theta. Sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta equal to P by H. P by H. Cos theta equal B by H. Tan theta equal P by B. P by H came from this only, P B P, H H B. This one up to you. Either you can work on Pandit Badri Prasad हर बोले, or you can say Pakistan बेईमान पक्का, Hindustan हरा भरा. This one up to you. Only one thing in your mind, PBP, HHB. So these three trigonometric ratios, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, and reverse of these three also, 4th, 5, 6. Reverse of sine, 1 by sine. 1 by sine is cosec theta. Cosec means H by P. Then 1 by cos. 1 by cos, sec theta. Sec theta means H by B. Then 1 by tan theta, reciprocal of tan theta is cotangent theta, cot theta equal to B by P. The student, in trigonometry this one is base. So 5 times you will make table of this PBP, HHP, sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta and cot theta. Now see beta, exercise 8.1. In triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equal 24 centimeter, BC equal 7 centimeter. Determine these two parts. So for this AC is required. Use Pythagoras theorem. in right angle triangle, ABC, AB square plus BC square equal to AC square. Why? By Pythagoras theorem. AB square 24 square, 7 square, AC square, 576, 49, AC square, 625, AC square, 25 square, AC square. AC become 25 centimeter. So now student, two parts we are having. In first part they are saying find the value of sine A. Sine A. Student, here theta is A. See in figure. In figure here vertex is A. Means this one angle, if we can consider in front of this one become perpendicular. थीटा के सामने वाली साइड परपेंडिकुलर होगी, थीटा के साथ वाली साइड बेस होगी. सो साइन ए P by H, P by H means 7 by 25. Cos A, cos B by H, B 24, 24 by 25. Second part, sin C. Now theta change, theta become this one. You can consider like this. In front of C side is AP. This one become perpendicular. So P upon H means 24 by 25. Cos C B upon H 7 upon 25. So these are of your answer. Now see beta, question number second. See figure, in right angle triangle PQR, PQ is 12 centimeter, PR is 13 centimeter. So to find tan P minus cot R. So QR is not given. So we will use Pythagoras theorem for this. Solution, in right angle triangle PQR, PQ square plus QR square equal to PR square. 12 square QR square 13 square, 144 QR square 169, QR square 169 minus 144, QR square equal to 25, QR square equal to 5 square, QR become 5 centimeter. Now all three sides we are having. So they are saying find the value of tan P minus cot R. This one we will find. Tan P. See student, in figure P. So this one become perpendicular. This one become base. Tan theta PBP HHB. PBP HHB. Tan theta P by B. Tan P 5 upon 12. Here write 5 upon 12. Now cot R. This one become perpendicular. Cot theta B by P. So this one become perpendicular. This one become base. So 5 by 12 equal to 0 is our answer. Now beta question number 4, given 15 cot A equal to 8, find the value of sin A and sec A. Point to be noted everywhere, theta is same. So make right angle triangle ABC. Okay, 15 solution. 15 cot A equal to 8. Cot A equal 8 by 15. Cot A B upon P. Why B upon P? P upon HB. Reciprocal of this, B upon P. So B, so cot A, this one A, theta is A, base this one and perpendicular this one. Now we will solve for AC. So in right angle triangle ABC, 15 square plus 8 square equal to AC square. Why? By Pythagoras theorem. 225 64 equal to AC square. Then 289 AC square. 289 17 square AC square. AC equals 17. So this one become AC become 17. Now all value we are having. Now we will find the value of sin A. Sin A, P by H. P is what? 15. 15 by 17. Sec A. Sec A, reciprocal of cos A. H upon B. H upon B. H 17, B 8. H upon B. 17 upon 8. These are of your answer. So students, complete your work till question number 5. Question number 3 and question number 5 are as it is same.